Hello, thank you for watching my software demonstration. It is a shipping web app that aims to be usable in the real world. We have the site set up on a live server, and here's the home page, which mainly gives information about the company and links to other pages. So we can see information about the page, about the company. This page is really to draw users, new users to the page and get them interested about the company. The next page is the about page, which gives also information about the company, telling them what the company does, the team members, and their track record and stuff like that. The next page is services, where you can explore the shipping company's services and see what's to offer, and all of this is can be seen while logged out. So the next page we have is the free quote page, and on this page we can send a free quote to submit a free quote. Anybody can, you don't have to be logged in to send a free quote. So you can select whether the shipment is by air or sea. You can select the origin city and country, the destination city and country, the shipping type, the description of the goods being shipped, the dimensions, and the weight. And you can also leave your email there for them to get back to you. So we'll just wait while this is updated. Yep, so you can type in the dimensions and it will be stored onto the Firebase console, which can then be viewed by the admin and then responded to later. And just finishing the form. And typing in an email for future reference. And so the form is submitted. And if we go into the Firebase console and we refresh and we go under the quotes collection, we can see that quote that we just added is now there. See the same email, same destination, same origin, everything. And that's without having to be signed up. So here we go in on the sign up page and we just enter the user's details, say that user wants to now make a page after they've gotten a response from their quote, so they can make a page. So I'm just looking back at the email to make sure it's the same person signing up, and we just continue to fill in the form, give an address and also a phone number. And then we just add a phone number and then we hit sign up. And so then if we go into the console and refresh, we see the new user signed up with all their information they just put in, address, phone, everything. And if we go to authentication, we see that that user, kimmywalker@gmail.com, is signed up and you're able to be authorized by the Firebase. And now we're signed in to that profile. And now you see that the menu's changed when someone signed in versus when they're signed out. So now we have dashboard, my profile, my shipments. So if we go on my profile, we can see the user details for the user signed in. And then on the dashboard, we can get a menu of stuff we can do as a logged in user, which is my shipments, get a quote, upload documents, submit payments, and view the services again. So now we're going to log out. We're on the dashboard, we're going to log out, and then we're going to log into an admin account. So an account that's an admin. So admin@admin.com. We type in the password. Then we hit login. And then when we hit login, we notice that we have an admin portal along with the regular menu links. So we're able to view user profile, view quotes, view send shipment updates, send shipments updates, send document requests, send receipts, and make an admin. And so on the account details under my profile, we see that this is an admin account. And so it has a regular dashboard and everything, but it just has the admin portal added. So we go ahead and we click view user profile. And so we can go ahead and see all the users that have registered on their website and all their information. So we see the one that we just signed up there. We can do view quotes, so we can see all the quotes that have been submitted by any user logged in or not. And there's the quote that we just submitted. KimmyWalker@gmail.com from Panama City. That's the one that we just added. And we can send shipment updates to all the users. So we can click on a user's email, essentially, and then we can enter the shipping ID, the shipment status, and the date of arrival. And then when you click on send update, it will send that shipping update on to the user's profile on their dashboard. So they will get that update under my shipments page. So yep, we're able to click on any registered users and just send an update to that particular profile. So we're just putting this in on this same account that we're logged in on the admin account. And so we see that this is the account that we're on. And we go to the My Shipments page and we see that it updated. So the shipment ID and everything is there. And that update was sent to this account. So next on the portal we have send document requests. So we're able to click on the user's email and select from the document type. So we can click any email and select from the document type, from that menu, what type of document we want to send, and it will be sent. And the next feature is to add an admin. So we can go in and make any user an admin. Well, obviously only an admin can make an admin, so we'll make the new user that we just added an admin. So if we just press make admin, then now that user is an admin. So we log out from that admin account, then we sign up with that user, and we just log in. Now we can see that admin portal is there, whereas before, when we just signed up, it was a regular user. So now this user is an admin, and we can see the shipment update sent to that email that we did before. So we can see that that is working. And then for the admin portal, also on dashboard, we can go to upload documents. We can select from the menu what type of documents. It's not showing on the screen recording, but there's a menu that drops down, and we can just choose. Well, right now I'm choosing a document to be saved, but it's not showing up. And we upload a document, and Yeah, the document is being uploaded, and if we go to look at the console inside cloud storage, we could see that I selected proof of identity authorization, and the name of the file is the current name of the file now saved, and it can be viewed on the admin portal. And yep, we're back to the dashboard, so we can see the payments menu where we can select a shipment and enter payment details. And so now we can see that we're still logged in on the same account. And if we go on my shipments, we see that there's one shipment there. And if we go to send shipment updates, and then we click on the email, and then we enter a shipment ID, shipment status, and the date of arrival, and then we click send update, and then we immediately go to my shipments, then we can see that that shipment is added to that user's profile and only that user's profile. We can also see a list of shipments sent as an admin, so we can of shipment updates, so we can see that shipment update that we just sent is also added to the list. And then we go back to the admin portal. And so thank you for watching my presentation on my web app. I think in terms of, aims and objectives, a lot of the aims and objectives were achieved through the admin portal, creating an admin, logging in a user, being able to communicate back and forth with that user. And so I think this project is successful, and it has a few tweaks to go, but at its core, it's very functional and it's presentable. And thank you again for watching my presentation.